Oh, pa gen audio. Ni jan se, oh, sa kwa se audio an la. Gen son kan men. Son la vou komante. Se ay polis ki sou misye la e. Oh,
Keep your
ok,
hands
son.
up.
Kenbe moun le fe.
Walk towards us. Walk. Yeah, she's moving.
La va ote tou le de
Walk
moun
towards
yo.
us
Sa
through
kwa
the
se.
fence right here. Fence line right here. Walk towards us. Walk towards us through the fence. I understand that. Walk towards us through the fence. There's police officers on both sides of that garage.
Oh, gen polisye
Come
nan
on.
de fasad garaj lan. Ay zen se va ka fe nul pa.
Keep your hands up. Adam 240 is at your mixed fries, subject to your. You want to go less lethal? Put your hands up. You got taser.
Mpa jan ka kompren. Misye va fe rebel tou. De vre polisye an je leve 2 mwa le. Surtout Amerika.
We're on ED.
Il leve 2 mwa le
Hands
frem.
up. Alyssa has lit sleep. Keep your hands up now.
Polisye ou fote de fwa.
We got command. I'll do hands when she gets it. Walk to me. Keep walking. Listen to our command. You're about to get tased, man.
Koman zeken ve sa nan men nan la de yon? Polisye sa.
Keep walking.
Polisye nan la.
Walk to the sound of my voice now, man. Come here. You keep on messing around. Keep walking.
What do you want me to do, man?
Jones, hold on.
Shit.
Walk towards me.
No, what is going on, man?
Walk towards me. You're going to go in handcuffs. Walk towards
Why?
me.
What did I do?
Ok, pou ki sa va
You
avanse
have
se de
warrants,
pou yon minute?
okay?
Li gen tan
That's
mi
what this is
fe.
about. Turn around.
Man, I'm not doing nothing.
Hey, motherfucker, you're about to get tased.
Tase him.
Oh,
Keep your hands where I can see them or you're going to get shot.
msikere la nan va gen yon.
I will not give you another warning. You pull them.
Oh my gosh. Oh. Msikere.
Walk towards me.
No, what is going on, man?
Walk towards
What's
me.
going on?
You're going to go in handcuffs. Walk towards
Why? What did I do?
Msi fata de men yo.
Okay?
Yo di m leve de yon alem leve lontan.
Man, I'm not doing
Kede. Oh. Sa fe rebel. Polisye ka franse l kon bagay. Oh my gosh. Damn. Get a movie. What? Oh my gosh. Oh man. That's crazy. So, se yo tou depi yo tou polisyan depi li ve sou we, li nan ba yon moun yo pa jam kompren. Le yo menote ou, le pi bon pou ou. De yon menote la nan moun polisyan pa ka fwa yon kwa. Si yo djou an etat d'arrestasyon, yo leve di braman le pou yo menote yo. So, li toujou important pou kolabori. Paske polisyan get an fos de lo deja. De pou get a fe rebel. E se monte konta len, li yo gen do a toujou konsan ba e la. E normal we, polisyan se voze kembe tete yon sekurite tou. Depi nan nek su se kon bagay la tire. So, nou vote jan de video sa ou pou sou chanel sa. So, de pou reme jan de video sa ou va ezite abone fin apre nou lot video.